Imagine you or someone you know faces legal trouble. What protects you from spending unnecessary time in custody? It's bail. But did you know there's a difference between regular bail and anticipatory bail? Stick around to learn not only the differences but also the rights they protect and some recent updates that might surprise you. Let's decode these legal differences together. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand the role of bail. Bail isn't just about getting out of jail. It's about ensuring that a person accused of an offense remains free while the case is being heard. In India, bail provisions exist to strike a balance between individual liberty and the interest of justice. But here's the twist. Not all bail is the same. Depending on your situation, you may need a regular bail or an anticipatory one. What does it mean? Let's explore. Let's quickly outline the key differences between regular bail and anticipatory bail. First, definition. Regular bail is sought after arrest, while anticipatory bail is sought before arrest. 2. Applicable sections. Regular bail comes under section 437 or 439 of the CrPC. Anticipatory bail is covered under section 438 CrPC. 3. Purpose. Regular bail ensures liberty during trial. Anticipatory bail is a safeguard against arbitrary arrest. 4. Who grants it? Both are granted by the Sessions Court or the High Courts. Now that we have the framework, let's break it down further. Regular bail is your legal right after arrest. First, when can you apply? If you are already in custody, you can file for bail under section 437 of the CrPC to the magistrate court or section 439 of the CrPC to the Sessions or High Court. This allows you to avoid staying in jail unnecessarily while the case is being heard. 2. Conditions for granting bail. The court considers several factors like 1. The seriousness of the offence, 2. Chances of you fleeing, and 3. Possibility of tampering with evidence. For instance, in state of Rajasthan versus Balchand, the Supreme Court famously said, bail is the rule and jail is the exception. This principle guides courts to favor bail unless there is a strong reason to deny it. Now, let's talk about anticipatory bail, your shield against arrest before it happens. First, when do you need it? If you believe you might be arrested for a non-bailable offence, you can apply under section 438 of the CrPC. The goal is simple. Protect you from unnecessary harassment or wrongful arrest. 2. Key conditions. While granting anticipatory bail, the court ensures that first, the accusation isn't frivolous. 2. The accused promises to cooperate with the investigation. And 3. There is no likelihood of absconding. In Sushila Agarwal vs. State, the Supreme Court clarified that anticipatory bail can have conditions but isn't limited by time unless explicitly stated. Let's compare these two forms of bail in real-world scenarios. First, example for regular bail. Suppose a person is caught stealing and arrested. After being presented in court, they can apply for regular bail to remain out of custody during the trial. Second, an example for anticipatory bail is, imagine someone falsely accused of financial fraud. Before the police arrest them, they can secure anticipatory bail to ensure their freedom while cooperating with the investigation. In Gurbaksh Singh Sibbia vs. State of Punjab, the court emphasized that anticipatory bail is a tool for individual liberty against misuse of power by authorities. If you think your arrest is near, here's a quick plan of action. First, consult a lawyer. A lawyer can assess the allegations and suggest the right bail options. 2. File the application. Apply for anticipatory bail if arrest hasn't occurred yet. 3. Present strong grounds. Show you're cooperating with authorities and pose no risk. 4. Follow conditions. Once bail is granted, ensure compliance with any court-imposed restrictions. Knowing your rights can protect you from unnecessary detention. In July 2023, the Supreme Court ruled that anticipatory bail cannot be denied merely because the investigation is incomplete. It reinforced liberty as a constitutional right. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud remarked in a recent judgment that courts must avoid treating bail hearings like trials and focus on the principle of presumption of innocence. These updates reflect how courts are ensuring justice remain accessible and not burdensome. Understanding the difference between regular bail and anticipatory bail can make a big difference in protecting your rights. Let's recap the main points. First, regular bail sought after arrest under section 437 and 439 of the CrPC. 2. Anticipatory bail sought before arrest under section 438 of CrPC. 3. Purpose. Regular bail prevents unnecessary custody during trial. Anticipatory bail prevents wrongful arrest. 4. Key case laws. State of Rajasthan vs. Balchand, Gurbaksh Singh Sibbia case and Sushil Agarwal vs. State. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more legal insights. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them in future videos. See you next time. Bye.